Hello, guys. Good evening. I hope you all are doing well. I am Pritama Das. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Pritama. So, today I will discuss on big data. So, what comes to our mind first when we talk about big data? Google, Facebook, Twitters, Instagram, Netflix, and many things. So, basically, all time data generates in less than a minute through tweets, through instant messages, through Google searches, and many things. So, in this video, we'll discuss on these topics. What is big data? Who's generating big data? What is DBMS? Interconnection between DBMS and big data. Characteristics of big data. How does big data work? Some applications, benefits of big data, risk management in big data, and future scope in big data. So, the first question is, what is big data? Or what do you mean by big data? So, big data refers to extremely large and diverse collection of structured, unstructured, and semi structured data that continues to grow exponentially over time. These data sets are so huge and complex in volume, velocity, and variety that traditional data management systems cannot store, process, and analyze them. So, when we talk about big data, that means we talk about extremely large and complex data sets that are beyond the capacity of traditional data processing tools and methods to handle efficiently. These datasets are analyzed and visualized to unveil the trends, human behaviors, and interactions. So, we talk about large volume of dataset. Some of them are structured or unstructured. Basically, maximum types of data are unstructured because we talk about audio data, video data, text data. And big data describe large and diverse datasets that are huge in volume and also rapidly grow in size over time. So, big data is used in machine learning, predictive modeling, and other advanced analytics to solve business problem and make informed decision. So the next question which is strike in our mind that who is generating big data? So basically big data is generating through social media like Facebook where we upload our picture, we like any post, through YouTube where we upload video, audio, like, comment, subscription, through grocery app like Big Basket, like Walmart, Google, where we are searching everything. So the next question is, what is DBMS? When we talk about big data, then one thing always comes in our mind, that is DBMS. So what is DBMS? A database management system is a software package with computer programs that controls the creation, maintenance, and use of database. It allows organizations to conveniently develop database for various applications. A database is an integrated collection of data records, files, and other objects. A DBMS allows different user application programs to concurrently access the same database. So, basically, DBMS is a software which is used to manage the database. Here I used a word that is database. So what is database? Database is a collection of interrelated data which is used to retrieve, insert and delete the data efficiently. Let's take an example. Like the college database organizes the data about the admin, staff, students, and faculty, etc. So, using the database, you can easily insert, delete, or retrieve the information. So, the next point is interconnection between DBMS and big data. Scalability. Big data technologies provide scalability to handle massive amount of data. While traditional database management system may struggle with the scalability requirements of extremely large dataset. When we talk about big data, we talk about the large amount of dataset. But when we talk about traditional database management system that cannot handle the large amount of dataset. Next one is data types. Big data often involves diverse types, including unstructured and semi-structured data. No SQL database, but commonly used in big data environments, are better suited for handling such data types compared to traditional relational database. When we talked about traditional relational database, then we talked only structured data. But in case of big data, we talked about structured and unstructured data and semi-structured data also. Real-time processing. Big data frameworks like Apache Spark are designed for real-time data processing, whereas traditional database management system may not be as efficient in handling data with high velocity. Analytics. Big data technologies excel in analytics and processing complex algorithms over large dataset. This is useful for extracting valuable insight from the massive amount of data generated in various domains. So this is the difference between DBMS and big data. Now we'll talk about the characteristics of big data, which is the most important topic in big data. And big data based on 5 V's, that is volume, huge amount of data, variety, different formats of data from various sources, value, extract useful data, velocity, high speed of accumulation of data, and veracity, inconsistencies, and uncertainty in data. So, the first V is volume. So, what do you mean by volume? Volume means big data involves vast quantities of data that exceed the capacity of conventional database and storage system. This data range from terabytes to petabytes or even exabytes. Here you can see guys, volume means a typical PC might have had 10 gigabytes of storage in 2000. So you can understand volume, we mean the huge volume of dataset. Today, Facebook ingests terabytes of new data day. So the second characteristics of big data is velocity. So, big data is generated and collected at an extremely high speed. This includes data generated in real time or near real time, such as social media updates, sensor data, and transaction data. That means data generates rapidly. That means data generates per second, even within microseconds. Like high frequency stock trading, Algorithms reflect market changes within microseconds. Machine to machine processes exchange data between billions of devices. So you can understand the data is generating per second, less than a minute. So the next characteristic is variety. So big data is not just numbers, dates, and strings. Big data is also geospatial data, 3D data, audio and video, and unstructured data, text, including log files and social media. Traditional database systems were designed to address smaller volume of structured data, fewer updates, or a predictable, consistent data structure. So, big data analysis includes different types of data. So, by variety, we mean big data encompasses a wide variety of data types, including structured data, semi structured data, and unstructured data. The diversity requires flexible data handling techniques. So, big data is of three types: structured data, most traditional data sources, semi structured data, many sources of big data, and unstructured data, basically video data, audio data, text data, this type of. So, next one is veracity. So, data veracity in general is how accurate or truthful a data set may be. It's not just the quality of the data itself, but how trustworthy the data source, type, and processing of it is. So, big data often includes data of varying quality and accuracy. This can result from errors during data collection, incompleteness, inconsistencies, or duplication. Managing and ensuring data quality is a significant concern in big data projects. So, the last V is value. So, the ultimate goal of working with big data is to extract meaningful insights and value. Organizations invest in big data analytics to derive actionable insights, improve decision making, and gain a competitive advantage. So, this is the five V's of big data: volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. So we have learned कि what is big data, who's generating big data, five characteristics of big data, and now we will learn how does big data work. So the central concept of big data is that the more visibility you have into anything, the more effectively you can gain insights to make better decisions, uncover growth opportunities, and improve your business model. So, making big data work requires three main actions, that is integration, management, and analysis. So, first one is integration. Big data collects terabytes and sometimes even petabytes of raw data from many sources that must be received, processed, and transformed into the format that business users and analysts need to start analyzing it. So integration means big data collects from many sources, integrate data from many sources, and then business user and analyst need to start analyzing it. So next one is manage the data, that is management. So big data needs big storage, whether in the cloud, on premises, or both, because here we talk about the large volume of data set. So obviously it needs big storage. Data must also be stored in whatever from form required. It also needs to be processed and made available in real time. Increasingly, companies are turning to cloud solutions to take advantage of the ultimate compute the scalability. And the last one is analysis. At first, we integrate the data from various sources, then manage the data. For that, we need big storage. And last one, the final step is analyze the data. So, the final step is analyzing and acting on big data. Otherwise, the investment won't be worth it. If we don't analyze, if we don't get um any information from it, then our investment is meaningless. So, beyond exploring the data itself, it's also critical to communicate and share insights across the business in a way that everyone can understand. So, this includes using tools to create data visualization like chart, graphs, and dashboards. So, after analyzing the data, we can create data visualizations like chart, graph, and dashboards. So, here we can see that how does big data work. That there are three main actions: integration, management, and analysis. So, the next one is applications of big data in real life. So, here we can see that where we use big data in our real life: banking and securities, media and entertainment, healthcare, energy and utilities, manufacturing, insurance, transportation, education. So, potential of big data in the banking industry. Here we can see how big data works on banking industry, like preventing frauds, identifying and acquiring the customers, retaining customers, optimizing operations. So, the banking industry extensively uses big data for various purposes, including risk management, customer analytics, and personalized services. Analyzing vast amounts of financial data allows bank to make informed decisions, enhance customer experience, and optimize operational efficiency. In that way, big data works on banking industry. So next one is how big data application works in education sector. Here we can see big data plays a very crucial role in education sector, like analytics of educators, customized programs, targeted international recruiting, then career prediction, reduced dropout, and many things. So in education, big data plays a crucial role by providing insights into student performance, personalized learning, and institutional effectiveness. Analyzing large datasets helps identifying learning patterns, tailor educational content, and improve overall educational outcomes. It also assists in predicting student success, guiding curriculum development, and enhancing the overall learning experience. So, next one is how big data works on transportation. So, big data is revolutionizing the transportation industry by optimizing routes, managing traffics, and improving overall efficiency. It enables real time monitoring of vehicles, traffic patterns, and infrastructure. So, this data driven approach helps enhance safety, reduce congestion, and improve transportation planning. Additionally, big data is instrumental in the development of smart transportation system and the advancement of autonomous vehicles. So next one is how big data works on government and public both sector. So in the government sector, big data is employed for policy analysis, resource location and improving public services. It aids in monitoring social trends, analyzing economic indicators, and enhancing decision making process. For the private sector, big data is utilized for market analysis, customer insights, and operational optimization. Companies leverage large datasets to understand customer behavior, streamline supply chains, and innovate in product development and marketing strategies. So, role of big data in digital marketing. Like in digital marketing, big data is a game changer. It allows marketers to analyze vast amount of information about customer behavior, preferences and introductions. This data-driven approach enables targeted advertising, personalized contents and improved customer engagements. Marketers can measure campaign effectiveness, optimize strategies and real time and make data driven decision to enhance overall marketing performance. So here you can see guys how big data works on digital marketing like real time customer insights, personalized targeting, increasing sales, improves the efficiency of marketing campaign, budget optimization, measuring the campaign's result more accurately. Big data on social media. So this is the most vital part how big data works on social media. Big data plays a pivotal role in social media by providing valuable insights into user behavior, preferences, and trends. Social platforms leverage large datasets to personalized content, improve user experience, and target advertisements effectively. Analyzing this data helps in identifying emerging trends, understanding audience sentiment, and optimizing platform algorithms. Social media companies use big data or content recommendation, user engagement analysis, and to combat issues like fake accounts and misinformation. So, these are the some applications of big data on our real life. So, next one is benefits of big data. So, benefits of big data is market knowledge, improved strategy and pricing, controls online reputation, new product development, cost savings, increased efficiency, focus on local clients' need, time reduction, increased sales, etc. So, improve decision making when big data analytics enables organizations to make data driven decisions. By analyzing vast and diverse datasets, data scientists can uncover insight and trends that might be otherwise hidden, leading to more informed and effective decision making. Predictive analysis, big data empowers data scientists to build predictive models that can forecast future trends, customer behavior, and outcomes. This helps organizations anticipate demand, reduce risk, and make proactive decision, customer feedback and sentiment analysis. This is one of the benefits of big data. Big data can use to analyze customer feedback from various sources such as social media, surveys. This helps business gauge customer sentiment and make adjustment accordingly. Like supply chain optimization, this is another benefit of big data. Like companies can optimize their supply chain by analyzing big data related to inventory levels, transportations, and demand forecasting. So, this can lead to cost savings and better service. Healthcare advances. This is in the healthcare industry, big data can be used for disease prediction, patient monitoring, and drug discovery. It can also help improve healthcare delivery and patient outcomes. So, these are some benefits of big data. So, next one is big data in risk management, like identify risk, control risk, review risk, assess risk. So, risk factor in big data. So, risk factors in big data include privacy concern, data security threats, and the potential for biased or inaccurate result. Privacy issues arise when sensitive information is mishandled or improperly shared. So, data breaches can compromise the security of large dataset, leading to unauthorized access, the misuse. So, identify risk. So, what is identify risk? Identifying risk is crucial in various contexts, such as project management, finance, or technology. Risk can include uncertainties that might impact objectives negatively, like stakeholder input, historical data, market analysis. These are like control risk. Controlling risk involves implementing measure to mitigate, monitor, or manage identified risk, like risk transfer, feedback loops, training and awareness, etc. So these are the big data in risk management. And the last one is future of big data. So the future of big data holds several exciting developments, like 5G technology. The widespread adoption of 5G technology will enhance data transfer speeds and connectivity, facilitating quicker and more efficient data processing. Like advanced analytics, continued advancements in analytics, including machine learning, artificial intelligence, will enable deeper insights and more accurate prediction from big data. So, overall, the future of big data will involve a combination of technological advancements, ethical considerations, and industry specified innovations, shaping how organizations leverage and benefit from. So guys, I think you all enjoy the video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.